Waves have quite literally shaped our world, be it these beautiful white sand beaches or this stunning cliff face down at our very own Cape Mentel. However, the very same processes that have given us these stunning landscapes can also be incredibly destructive, flooding low-lying coastal plains, weathering away cliff faces, and eroding beaches. Waves are formed by ocean winds. As they blow, they push the surfaces of the water forward and upward. Gravity then pulls the water back down, only to be pushed up by the wind again. This push and pull action is what generates series of waves, which can sometimes travel thousands of kilometers before reaching the shore. When waves reach the slope of the shoreline, much like me on this long hill, they slow down.
Oh, these hills suck.
As they do, they rise higher out of the water and their energy becomes compressed and they eventually break. Once waves reach the shore, they pick up sand which is then carried back out to sea and then away by nearshore ocean currents. When they meet cliffs, however, they crash into them without breaking and are reflected, and the water and sediment within chip away at the cliff face, carving out hollows in a process called erosion. You can see for yourself how waves erode sand dunes, beaches and cliffs. All you need is access to a lot of sand and a decent amount of water, then you can build yourself a sandcastle and throw several buckets of water in its general direction. These processes have been occurring since liquid water formed on our Earth's surface. However, we are now faced with man-made global warming and the effects that it has on the ocean and its natural processes. Scientists hypothesize that as the world warms, wind speeds increase, which in turn causes larger waves that contain more energy. In addition, melting ice caps cause the global sea level to rise. As waves reach higher up the toe of the sand dune, the slope steepens and eventually avalanches, giving a chance for waves to wash away the new toe and leaving the dunes smaller and more vulnerable to overwash. As saltwater encroaches farther inland, the ecosystem changes. Plant seeds take in water prior to germination, and the high salt content of the seawater can disrupt this process, leading to forest lines retreating inland, and the myriad of fauna that rely on these plants must retreat with them. This leads to stretches of land becoming barren and unable to support life. Not only would losing natural near-coast beauty, such as the Willyabrot Creek here, be devastating, but this affects us as humans as well. We humans are reliant on water and are naturally drawn to it, so much so that we built civilizations around it. Countries such as Mauritania, Guinea, and Senegal in West Africa, who rely heavily on their coastal activities such as fishing and tourism for their economy, are particularly at risk from coastal erosion.